This is a road. And this used to be the barn. It still is. It's a shadow of what it once was. This road was used to get to the upper pastures. This is what it looks like now. Old and rusted. Not much left. Not much here. But I still come to visit. Brings back a lot of sad memories. Not always, but now they are. Of the people that used to be here. Of the things it used to mean. It's frustrating. But that's not the only thing I've found here. I found hope. And a future. Outside of myself. And the push to keep going forward. Not necessarily within myself. But within the people around me. So I no longer look at this as an old sad shell of what it used to be. I see the damage. And I see the path to the light. I see the sorrow and sadness and loss. But I also see the new beginning. A new story to tell.
No way! No way! No way! No way! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love you, man. I love you.
And that's just a warm embrace from someone you care about. Can make a whole world of difference. And it's not just what we see in each other. It's how we can help each other. Thanks to the people around me, I found the strength to keep going. Thanks to this farm that once reminded me of pain and loss, now reminds me that I'm never alone, and I always have a home. In the small town of Barrie, in the small state of Vermont.